Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I normally don't do this. I'm doing a wallet unboxing because my wife bought me this for my birthday, an Ekster. I've been wanting one for a while. So if this brought you to the channel for a wallet unboxing and you like watches, you guys are welcome to hang out here at this channel for a while or all you like. So this is the wallet I use, Dango. I really like this wallet. This is my EDC wallet. It's got plenty of room for cards and protection there for your cards. All kinds of room for cash. So this is a wallet I use every day. Here's some more spaces for other things you want. I use it every day and I really like it. It's got a can opener lid piece across the top, which I have used already. You can get all kinds of different attachments for this wallet. And I've really enjoyed the Dango. So I ordered this Ekster and I'm gonna open it with you guys. This is my first time seeing it. So I'm excited about this. Oh yeah, okay, some nice packaging here. Let me put this on pause and take the plastic off, and we'll be right back. All right, here it is without the plastic on the box. Nice packaging, nice box. I like it. Has the Ekster logo on the front there. And let's see if we can get into this. Okay. Covered with some paper. It is a nice plush wallet. I mean, that's why I wanted it. I just wanted something different for maybe dress or just everyday use. I don't know. I'm probably going to use it a little while just to break it in. The leather here does feel nice and supple, but it'll get much better broken in, that's for sure. Money clip. Places for your cards. I really like that. I know I'm trying to be a minimalist, but wow, I always have this big stack of cards with me wherever I go, my license and all kinds of things. So it does have some nice compartments here. Here's the thing I like. Yeah, this little button down here pops these cards out. I love it. So I read the owner's manual on this, and they said you should use, put your most used cards in the back here because it's the easiest to get to. So, okay, they got 10% off on these cards and different things. Come in affiliate. Oh, nice. So this is not a paid review. This is my own wallet I bought, just so you know. Feedback. Enter for a giveaway. Hey, that's pretty cool. So, yeah, just put them in there and they come out like that every time. I like it. I like it. I can't wait to use this. And I'm sure I'm going to give you a final thought on this wallet after using it for a few weeks. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay well.